Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda for the new people tuning in. Today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. Today I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina collab. Woo! And yeah, if you guys like this look, please keep watching. Alright guys, so brows are done, eyelids are primed, and I already did one eye off camera. What I used for my eyebrows was the Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. And then to set my eyebrows, I used the 24-hour brow setter. To cut out my eyebrows and to prime my eyelids, I used this LA Girl Pro Conceal in Bisque. So now we're just gonna move on to the other eye. And I'm just gonna go into this shade right here, Ginger, with a blending brush. And I'm gonna add that color to my crease. I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys in a little bit closer. Guys, I really like the way this shade blends Ginger. I usually always have problems with my transition shades because they always look somewhat patchy, and I feel like this one is blending out really well and I don't see that patchiness whatsoever. Once again, I'm sorry if you can hear my son. He's in here with me. So the next shade I'm going to be going into is a Wiggles. I think that's how you say it. And I'm going to use that one and put it in the outer corner. Sorry guys, this hair is like everywhere today. Now all I'm going to do is just place the colors wherever I want them placed, and then I'll blend them upwards. So the next color I'll be going into is Big Wig, this purple right here, and I'm going to put that in the middle of the lid. And I'm just going back and forth with the red and the purple because I'm trying to blend them together. Alright, so the next shade I'll be going into is this one right here, Supreme. And I'll be putting that in the inner part of the lid. So I'm gonna go back into the purple shade and blend it with the pink one. I'm just going back and forth with the two shadows. Now I'm just gonna blend this up to the transition. And then I'm gonna go back in with the shade Ginger and take that same blending brush and just pass it on top of these colors. So for now, we're done with the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and put my liner on. I'm gonna be using, I just purchased this one. This is the Essence Super Precise eyeliner. It says it's long lasting and supposedly it is waterproof. Yeah, so I'll be trying this one out today. And I'll also will do my liner off camera. Alright guys, so I'm back. While I was doing my eyeliner, I decided to also put in my lashes. So liner, lashes, they're done. Now we're gonna move on to our face. I'm gonna be using the Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. And for primer, I'm gonna use the No Problem primer. And I was also thinking I'm gonna do a couple more looks with this same eyeshadow palette. I want to see if I could get to use like the whole palette. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do a couple more looks with the same one. I'm sorry if you guys can hear my son, he's in here with me. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with these two. This is the LA Pro concealer. This is in Bisque, and then this is the Becca Aqua Luminous concealer in beige. So I'll be using both. Take my beauty blender. So for setting powder, I'm gonna use the Pretty Vulgar translucent setting powder. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe sponge. Music keeps set the rest of my face, I'm gonna be going into the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus foundation in NC42, and I'm just gonna take like a normal powder brush and just set the rest of my face. And I don't like to like swirl the brush in. I just like to pat, because I feel that once you start like swirling the brush in, you just start moving everything. So we're gonna go ahead and do the bottom lash line. For the bottom lash line, all I'm gonna take is Big Wig and just add that to the bottom. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try this. This is the first time I'll be trying it. It's the Becca and Chrissy. This is the palette. It has a bronzer, a blush, and then 2 highlighters. I'm gonna use all of them today. So first thing I'm gonna go into is the bronzer. Such a pretty bronzer. And I'm gonna grab like this brush right here and contour my nose a little bit with that same shade. I don't want nothing like dramatic, it's just a tad bit. Now for blush, I'm gonna take the blush that's in the palette. So I'm gonna go in with this highlighter and see how this looks. If I like the way this one looks, then I'll just use this one. If not, I'll use both. The first time I'm using a highlighter that's this color. See how it looks. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's really pretty. See that? That's really pretty. Wow. I didn't think I was gonna like it this much. It looks really pretty. Before I do the mascara on the lash line, I'm gonna go ahead and set all these powders with the Evian facial spray. So now that I'm done with the face, I'm gonna go ahead and add some mascara to the bottom lash line. This one is from Essence. It's the False Lash Effect mascara. I just picked this one up on Friday. And then for the waterline, I'm gonna use this Vintage Jet Black liner. This one came in the BoxyCharm. It's a really good eyeliner. And I'm gonna do all of that off camera. Alright guys, so while I was off camera, I also decided to do my lips. What I think on this palette, it's amazing. It's an amazing palette. I love it. Packaging, it's like, I love this packaging. It's so pretty. Look at that. Ooh. The colors itself are so pretty. Right now that fall is coming, I think these are like awesome colors for fall. So if you have not gotten your hands on this, you need to get your hands on this. This palette is so nice. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these colors. I am going to go from top to bottom, okay? And I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing the names wrong, but I'll try my best. So what I see while I'm swatching them is that the matte ones, you have to like double swatch them. Soleil, Supreme, Pinker, Big Wig, Dollars, Credit, and lituation. Zam. Oh my god, look at that copper. That is so pretty. And this is the color that I'm like so in love with. Wigglies. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, these swatches I know are horrible, but bear with me, guys. This one is Shockington. Look at that. Wow. Trust Issues. Oh my god. Edges. Oh my god, look at that. Sponsored. Oh my god, that color is so pretty. You see how it shifts? That is so nice. And lastly, we got Ginger. Look at that. That is so pretty. These palettes are so pretty. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload. And I will see you guys on Friday.